Ballistic missiles fired by Iran streaked over the sky on their way to Israel on Tuesday, retaliation for Israel's campaign against Tehran's Hezbollah allies in Lebanon. The missiles are seen here over the West Bank's Hebron, and in Tel Aviv with sirens blaring and air defenses intercepting the projectiles. Alarms sounded across Israel and sent people scrambling for shelter. Iran's Revolutionary Guard Corps said the missile salvo was in retaliation for recent Israeli killings of militant leaders and aggression in Lebanon and Gaza. Israel said more than 180 missiles were launched.
Paki-subscribe upang maging updated kayo lalo na sa mga darating pa na mga videos at announcements. Kung inyo pong mamarapatin, ay bukod po sa pag-subscribe, ay paki-like po ang aming video kung inyong nagustuhan, at pakisuyo na rin po na e-share at huwag kalimutan na pindutin ang notification bell. Kung kayo po ay may katanungan po na, at anumang concern ay paki-comment po sa ibaba.
Kababayan, maraming salamat po ulit sa inyong panahon at panunood. Huwag po ninyong kalimutan na ibahagi ang channel na ito at ang mga videos nito upang mas marami pa ang makaalam ng katotohanan at mabuting balita. Yan lang po ang maliit na pabor na hinihiling namin. Muli, ay maraming salamat po sa inyong mga kababayan. Mabuhay po kayong lahat, hanggang sa muli.